How do I activate my Mastercard gift card?
Welcome to this tutorial where we will walk through the process of activating your Mastercard gift card. This card is a convenient and versatile gift, but before you can start using it, you'll need to activate it first. We're here to help you with this simple and easy process. Let's get started.
Do you need to activate your Mastercard gift card?
The first step in this process is to determine whether your Mastercard gift card requires activation. This varies depending on the specific card and where it was purchased. Check the packaging or any paperwork that came with the card. If there's an activation requirement, it will typically be clearly stated.
How to activate your Mastercard gift card?
Assuming your card does need activation, let's get into how to do this. 1. Locate the activation instructions on the gift card packaging. This should include a website and/or phone number that you can use to activate the card. 2. If activation is to be done online, go to the listed website and follow the instructions provided. Typically, you'll need to enter the card number, expiration date, and possibly the CVV or other security code on the back of the card. 3. If activation is to be done over the phone, call the provided number and follow the automated instructions. Again, you'll typically need to provide the card number, expiration date, and security code.
What if there are issues activating your card?
If you run into any issues during the activation process, don't worry. Help is available. Contact Mastercard's customer service. You can reach them via the phone number or website provided on the back of your card. They will be able to assist you with any issues or answer any questions you have about activating your card. And there you have it. That's how you activate your Mastercard gift card. Now you are all set to use it online or in stores. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the activation process, don't hesitate to reach out to Mastercard's customer service. They're there to help. We hope this video has been helpful and that you enjoy using your gift card.